Hopefully everything is well because they attempted to land. This is the second time, but unsuccessful. So they have to turn around again. So what was the problem?
A while ago, the wind was too.
They just decided to go back to Manila after attempting 2 times. You saw my face. I look very tired, and I'm going now to Virac, Catanduanes, to visit a small village. It's called the San Miguel. It's outside a little bit of Virac, so I'm gonna spend time there. I'll go to school as well to visit some kids. Yesterday I didn't sleep well, but anyway. I'm used to this when I'm traveling. I left yesterday from Davao to going to Manila because I wanted to overnight in Manila so that I can wake up in the morning and get the flight to Virac. I don't know if they say Virac or Virac.
They will ask you for facts about flying or anything about Cebu Pacific, and all you must do is give us the correct answer. Don't worry, we will provide you choices, but before we proceed with the game proper, we will give the first prize to the guest who can show us the gold rewards now. Anyone? We have a hand here in front. Congratulations, remember that rewarding experiences keep going with gold rewards.
Yeah, now we're using Airbus at 320. It's quite a decent plane. So, yeah, but the other time we used the one with propel was small, and the airport where we're going, I will show you. It's a small, very cute. No taxi, no rental car. Right away after we walk out from there, you just get a tricycle. But I talked with a guy, and that is causing the price to be high because I talked with a guy to rent. He said it is $2,500. That's around $50. And I tried to negotiate, but he was very, very rigid with the price. So it's the one that I'm using. And that price in Davao, you will go very far with that money. Very, very far. But again, the island is kind of secluded, and they say the gas is very expensive. But this flight is taking 45 minutes, that's what they say. So we will be landing soon. The guy was about to land, and then he went up a little bit. So this is Virac, Catanduanes. Hopefully everything is well because they attempted to land. This is the second time, but unsuccessful. So they have to turn around again. This is the second time. The itself look really good. It's clear, it's sunny, but they just attempted two times. Listen to this.
Again, we have discontinued our approach due to unforeseen circumstances, and currently we are now proceeding to our planned outer airport, which is Manila, and please to expect approach on time at 15 minutes past the hour of 10 this morning. Time check for convenience, it is 10:03.
So we're returning to Manila.
Patience and understanding, and we'll give you further updates later on our flight.
So,
Good morning.
so we're returning to Manila. They just decided to go back to Manila after attempting two times. Well, we were about to land and it's changing again. So this is the situation here that I've never ever experienced. The plane tried landing at a small airport called the Virac airport in Catanduanes, and they did two landing attempts, and didn't work at all. So now they decided to return to the closest airport, which is Manila. So they're returning to Manila. I don't know the problem, if it was the airport or the plane itself. Hopefully it was the airport, and hopefully that the plane is safe and will be landing in Manila safely. Just want to tell you that Manila, the weather is also not good. It is cloudy, and I think there is rain. Just look there. And it's only 45-minute flight. Wow, that river doesn't look good. glad, and I praise God for that because it was a scary experience. And what I know that the airport is small. Yes, it is small. So we'll see what they're gonna do, and I will update you. So what was the problem?
A while ago, the wind was too windy. It's too windy. It's too strong. That's why we cannot land. Because if we try to land, then we might overshoot the runway.
Oh, so was the wind?
Right now, the wind is. I think the situation right now is better.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what the captain, because the captain was able to land.
Oh, okay. Thank you so
And
much.
have a great day.
You too.